तू चलता चल तू चलता चल तू चलता चल तू बढ़ता
How to select topic in GD when you have 2 points be both equally important? It is not topic, it is the line of lead which you want to take. You have to pick which as per you feel is the best. And then speak on that.
Both were equally important for me at that time.
तो टॉस कर लो उसके बीच में ना. फाइन. हाँ, हेड तो ये है, द टेल है तो दूसरा, ठीक है.
Okay.
How to handle when multiple themes come in mind? If multiple themes come in mind, it's good. You are a creative person, you're getting good ideas. So pick up the best theme which is relating best, closest to what the picture is depicting, and build the story on that. Okay, sometimes PPDT picture is not clear. It is generally not clear. It is deliberately hazy. Because of which I am unable to come up with any story until I hear someone else's story. What can be done in such a case? Meenal, you normally ask good questions, but अरे मीनल देखो यार, पिक्चर देख के कुछ तो दिखेगा.
सर कल वाला PPDT में कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया मुझे. I was like, what should I write?
You see, thing is that, Meenal, I will take your mind to, there is a test known as the ink blot test, in which what was done was an ink drop was placed on a paper, then the paper was, folded and then again straightened, and then some patterns would emerge, some cloud, some butterfly, some bird, something, awkward things would appear. And it is a test in which people were asked to decipher as to what they can make out, So something like that is the thematic perception test. They are similar projective technique methods only. Fine.
So once in a picture, I perceived a dumpster and other people perceived a small temple. So is that fine? Because
No problem. There is just no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem. You go as per what you have perceived. Write the story that way and don't feel diffident at all if it is different from others.
Sure.
Because most of the time, if you are sensible, your story would be different from others. Because people will put in COVID, they will put in whatever things are happening in the current environment, the stubble burning. They will put in there whatever is shown in the picture. I don't know for whatever reason they do that. But this is what people do. That's what I've been seeing, when I was in the SSB. So, Meenal, don't get worried. What you see, decipher it and be firm, write story around that. Fine? Acha. In reality, I perceive things in better way, but in TNT and PPDT, I am not able to clearly. I like this thing कि मेरा हॉकी में दिमाग चल जाता, लेकिन फुटबॉल में सडनली देख के जो ना मेरा दिमाग बंद होता था. अरे भाई वही दिमाग है. Don't create these mental blocks. It's your psychological problem, okay? There's no problem actually. Am I right, server?
Exactly, sir.
ये तो खुद created problem है ना. दिमाग तो वही है. Just trust your brain, it will work in TAT and PPDT also. And so many of our students have developed so much of self-belief that they have been successful. We'll have some discussion on Sunday, how Upasak will tell you. Shubhi is a fresh girl, she's asked a question, we must take it very seriously. What to do if the whole group is deviating from the leads? Then you should tell them that the leads were these 2 or 3, you should not be talking about other things. We should talk as per the laid down norms, because we were to discuss in accordance with what was given. to be discussed and not deviate from that. Okay.
Sir, we don't have to speak out of leads.
आउट ऑफ नहीं बोल रहा है ना कि यार लीड्स बोल रहा है ना कि ये है 2-3 लीड्स हैं, इनमें से कौन सी आपको सबसे सूटेबल लगती है उस पे बोलिए, तो उन्हीं पे बोलिए ना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's what we should do. Fine.
There's one last question. If we do not have a second plan, would that create a negative impact?
If we do not have a second plan, would that create a negative impact? नहीं, negative impact नहीं है, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है. You can have one plan only. And you can say कि मेरी यही plan है और ये मैं कर लूँगा. Thing is that if you have a backup plan and if you have alternate options, that means you are quite secure. You know, you don't have the sense of insecurity. कि यहाँ मेरा नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा? World will come to an end. You don't have that feeling, you know. You feel कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ कर लूँगा. You're getting the point?
Sir, this was my question.
Yeah.
सर अगर मेरा कोई alternative plan होता है,
हाँ हाँ.
तो I don't give my 100% to my first plan, sir. So I'm not making an alternative plan, sir.
That is not a good thing. You should have an alternative plan. It is good, and still you should do well in the main plan also. Actually, the person who is half-hearted, he would be half-hearted in all plans, the main and alternative both. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
may I add something to Siddharth?
Please, Ajay, you are most welcome.
Sir, what Siddharth is saying that I've seen this video, so I think he's coming from a video from Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yeah. He says that you don't have a plan B, so that you can focus on plan A.
Oh, acha, okay.
No, sir.
Arnold Schwarzenegger he had a day job, and he worked, he went to the gym, and he took acting classes as well. Maybe he's saying that you don't have two goals in life, but have a small job in hand so that you can be secure. People tend to overthink that and say that, okay, yaar, मुझे army भी जाना है.
Correct. That point is valid. You know,
Even I want to join the army, but I am working with Cognizant. I don't intend to stay in Cognizant, but I want to join the army. My aim is only army.
Correct. That point is there. No, I have understood. The point is in the Schwarzenegger's angle is what happens when you have a plan B. You are not 100% committed to plan A because you have self-doubts. That is not a good thing.
सर जैसे आपने कहा कि दो प्लान है और प्लान पहले वाले पे फोकस रखना चाहिए.
हाँ.
तो फिर प्लान बी है उस पे आप प्रिपरेशन भी नहीं कर पाओगे.
अरे यार प्लान बी है तो
उससे ये भी होगा ना, if you look at the positive side, तो confidence भी increase होगा ना आपका कि this is not the last thing.
yes, because why primarily what Bhamini madam is also saying, thing is why we are telling this to our students is that when they think that this is the only thing they have to do in life, they become desperate. And when they are desperate, they start unconsciously responding in a manner which they feel would be pleasing to the assessors. Like you see in today in India, most what has happened to the media? इतना डर थोड़ी दे रखा है, पर सब डरे हुए हैं कि केस हो जाएगा, कुछ हो जाएगा. भाई कितनों के ऊपर केस होगा? तो रिपोर्टिंग ही खत्म कर दी कि if we make a critical comment about the government, which is the job of the media, कि लोग हमारे को ट्रोलिंग करने लगेंगे. तो भाई डर क्यों रहे हो पहले से इतना? Because they are insecure. That is why this is happening. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
I will tell you this outlook, you know, it permeates overall in the service also. I saw that most people who were short service commissioned officers, they did not take chances in first 5 years कि permanent commission लेना है, CO की हाँ में हाँ मिलाते रहो. जो XND है वो मतलब जो होगा ना वो ओरिजिनल बिहेव कर देगा, नहीं सर ये बात ठीक नहीं है, क्योंकि उसे पता है उसकी तो परमानेंट कमीशन है। Are you getting the point?
Yes.
And generally, I found that people are happier. CEOs are happier with the short service वाला, क्योंकि हाँ में हाँ मिला रहा था।
Okay.
And that way, if you talk of psychology, there are so many funny things. I did an analysis when हम लोग लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल बने थे, मेजर से लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल। I found that most of the people who did not make it were ex-NDA. Fine, जो लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल नहीं बने, and practically 100% people who had got decorations, सेना मेडल, शौर्य चक्र वगैरह, वो बने ही नहीं लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल। And everybody who was from ACC became a lieutenant colonel. Everybody, 100%. So the analysis which I drew without carrying out any, मतलब मैंने अपना assessment लगाया कि जो एनडीए वाले थे उन्होंने सीधी सीधी जो बात पूछी बोल दी उन्होंने, हाँ में हाँ नहीं मिलाई, तो परमानेंट कमीशन है, ठीक है। एसीसी वाले ने तो हाँ में हाँ मिलाई, उसने बैंगन की नौकरी की कि भाई सीओ साहब जो कह रहे हो उसे एग्री कर दो। And the decorated people, either they genuinely were arrogant, and in most cases, in my view, they were perceived to be arrogant. कि ये arrogant है, अच्छा सेना मेडल मिला हुआ तो अपने को 30 मार का समझता है, तो जैक कर दो। वो बेचारे जैक हो गए। Are you getting the point? So this is what it is. तो ACC वाले सारे प्रमोट हो गए। इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी यार ACC वाले सारे एनडीए वालों से बेटर थे। It is not possible. नहीं तो फिर जवान से क्यों गए थे वो? और एनडीए पे when we did SSB हम जाते हैं, we find the best lot comes from NDA, पर लेफ्टिनेंट नहीं बने एनडीए वाले। फाइन,